Hey guys, welcome to my trade recap. Today is July 10th, Friday. It's my first day on the new Lucid Flex funded. Just passed on yesterday, and today's my first day and took my first loss. Let's get into it. So, coming into today, we had this 1 hour for value gap before market open, so just waited for price to react to this level. If we respect this, then I'll look for shorts, and if we inverse this, I'll look for continuations into this high here. 7:30 open, we did manipulate into this 1 hour gap, and I was down a short. Could have entered on the CISD of this 1 minute candle, but we got a terrible close off of this bearish candle. If we got more of a displacement down, like a candle close with this like this, then that definitely would have taken this short, and that would have probably been trade of the day. Probably in the 30 seconds there was an IFVG, but there was no IFVG on the 1 minute. So we swept 7:30 low with this move here and ended up getting another move higher, and we actually have a 5-minute gap here that I thought we were going to inverse, and as you can see, we respected it heavily with this huge wick. But we did leave this 1 minute bearish gap, and when we got this bearish candle off of this 1 minute bearish gap, that's a rejection block, I entered off of the re-entry, and I got stopped out break even here, and price ended up moving higher, and we ended up inversing that 8 a.m. that 1 hour fair value gap with the new hourly candle. Got stopped out break even here, went break even right away, and we ended up forming a 5-minute gap after 8 a.m. right here. So I was just looking for a continuation higher into our highs here, and we just never hit it. When I saw that we respected a bunch of bullish rejection blocks here, I thought that we're gonna get continuation up. So when we got this retracement, and I kind of front run this one right here because we got this huge wick and the body is on top, so I entered on the retest of that, and I got stopped out right away and lost 250 on that. But I did re-enter right away right here off of this better. This one's a better entry because we got this bullish rejection block here. This one I kind of front run because it was bearish. Should have waited for it to be bullish, and I should have never taken this. But this one we had a huge wick here, went up, so went break even right away and got stopped out break even, and we just never had a move higher. After this move, we actually ended up forming a 15-minute gap here. So we had an accumulation and a manipulation to the 15-minute gap. We did have this 1 minute bullish rejection block here, and we also ended up inversing this 1 minute bearish gap, as you can see. But my mistake was entering off of this rejection block here when I should have entered right here at the very bottom. And this is literally like my trade on, I think, Wednesday. But my mistake was I just doubted that we were going to return to this rejection block here. So I decided to enter off of this top one. And as you can see, that was my mistake. And got stopped out right away when I should have been entering at the very bottom rejection block, because most likely you will get a tap back into that. But as you can see, if I did enter there, this would have been the trade of the day. But at the same time, I should have never taken this trade. That was my mistake because I front run this, didn't follow my rules. But this would have been such a clean trade right here. As you can see, would have been a really good RR2. And yeah, that's it for today. Peace. And oh my goodness, Trump tweeted here and just price just dumped.